Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel, Lesson Plan Corner. So today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic atoms. Okay, and if you need PDF, then please do comment me in the comment section below. I will provide you PDF also for lesson plan. Now here you can see previous knowledge. So students are aware of matter and particles because they have already learned that in chapter 1 and chapter 2. Generally, you can see here to enable them to understand what is atom, how big it is, and symbols of items of different elements. So this is actually what we want to teach to students. These are our aims. Okay, and to enable them to understand atomic mass, so we are also want to tell them what is atomic mass. Okay, here you can see specific objectives to let them know what is atom, its size and symbol of different items to enable them to understand what is atomic mass. And here you can see teaching aid. So we are going to use flex chart, model, duster, chalk for this lesson plan. Okay. Now here you can see here, as you can see, I have added 4 questions. Okay. So what we have to do is first teacher has to teacher has to show chalk to students and teacher has to ask what is it. Then student will answer it is chalk. Then teacher will have to ask what will happen if I crush it, if I crush the chalk. Then student will answer it will break in small pieces. Then third question would be how is it made up of? Then student will answer it is made up of small particles. Then we can ask like this, do you know what is atom and atomic mass? It would be problematic. Okay, here you can see the objectives and specification. 4 you can say here to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Okay, after this what we have to do is we have to announce our topic, and our topic is items. Here you can see we have to also write topic on the blackboard after announcing our topic. Here you can see overall look. Okay. Now here you can see presentation 1. Let me show you. Okay, presentation 1 you can see. So here we have to give definition of items. We have to write all the main and important points on blackboard. You can see here I have also make columns of elements and symbols. Okay, after explaining properly, what we have to do is we have to ask a question. So here you can see list of questions. 4 questions I have added, and here is our expected answer that we expect from students. Here you can see blackboard work. Okay, after explaining them properly, teacher also have to explain them once again with help of any chart or model. Students observing chart or model whatever teacher is showing. Okay, here you can see presentation 1. Okay, after that presentation 2, so for that atomic mass we have to explain how to measure, like this is all the questions that we have to ask to students. Okay, this is skills, and here is the expected answer. Now here is what is it? It is our blackboard work. Now here you can see third question, define atomic mass, and here is our answer. You can see, and here is presentation, rest part of presentation 2, and here is blackboard work. You can see, and here is teacher also have to just explain everything properly with help of chart or model. Here students observing chart, model, and for teaching aid what we have to use, write chart. Here you can see recapitulation. So here I have added 4 questions. What is atom? Why is it not possible to see atom with naked eyes? How to measure mass of an atom? Who proposed Daltonic theory? And here is expected answer. Now here you can see fill in the blanks. This is application and evaluation. So for that I have added 4 question I have added. Okay, and for perfection of knowledge, teacher has to give home assignment also on rolling board. So this was my lesson plan on the topic items for class 9th. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.